Hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Please like and subscribe down below to my channel, Diebulfrog79. This is what I did with the, whatchamacallit, Satomore, Satoimo. Okay, I cooked a whole pot of them, and I cooked some and gave away at church to people who don't have it. Okay, sorry about the mess in the kitchen, but I've been cooking. Yeah, we'll put that away. And this is my lunch and breakfast. It's cheese, leftover spaghetti, ranch beans, hot dogs, and chopped onions. We call it Democrat stew because this is what the Democrats who, if they win tomorrow, I'm going to be eating a lot because I have to pay rent and I have to pay for my meds and my gas and my car insurance. Yes, hot dog stew or Democrat stew. Ain't that wonderful, folks? Sorry about the mess in the kitchen, but that's my lunch and breakfast. I made sure that older people than me got a little bit of emo. Yes, with dashi and soy sauce. That's how you cook it, Hubble's cat, and it's not slimy. Okay, you gotta know how to cook it. All right, boys and girls, I'll catch you later.